.js file. You can create a array first. Create a array. Create a array. Let const where all three you can write here. Let my customer equal to, let my customer equal to, give some name Ramesh, Raju, Ganesh, Mohit, Ravi, some names we have added inside one array. Some names we added inside the array. Create array. Now, how to print the array inside the JavaScript? Remember how to print the array? Array.length. So this is React. You can see here inside the function you created one array. Now this array is separate, and here one return there is a HTML code also. HTML and JavaScript all are together inside one function. It's called a JSX. Okay. Now React says like, since you are going to merge JavaScript and HTML together, so under the HTML code, how can you write JavaScript? So for that, we have to just open the curly bracket and close the curly bracket. So curly bracket open is nothing but JavaScript start, and curly bracket close is nothing but JavaScript end. Inside this, we will write array.length. So what is the array? Array is called my customer dot length. Check now. Are you getting the length of the customer? You should get the length of the customer. Length of the customer will come. How many? 7, 8, 9, 10 depend on how many have added. Now come down. If you remember the map function in JavaScript, map function. So again, we are going to call here the map function. Map function is a part of JavaScript. Map function is the part of JavaScript. So how we can write here? Just simple open the curly bracket, close it. JavaScript open and close. Okay, JavaScript open and close. Inside that, you have to write array.map. So what is the array? My customer dot map. My customer dot map. Here you can use name and comma as a index. So as I have explained you earlier also, or you can write here full name and index. So when the map function will start working from the array that is called my customer, from my customer, individual customer details like customer name will come to the where? Full name, and their position will go to the index. Suppose Ramesh will come to the full name and their position is 0 will go to the index. Again, next call, Raju will go to the full name and their position will go to where? Index. Right? Okay, so hope you have written. Next, after that, here we have to use the fat arrow method, and arrow key will come. And JavaScript, if you remember, we used to write console.log, but console.log we are not going to write. Okay, we are going to write something else here now. Okay, we are going to write here called return, return, return. The map function should return now something. What it will return? It should return as a first write as a return. Okay, ready? Map we have written. Now we need to write here called return. Inside the return, again you can write the paragraph. See the JSX, what is that? You can see here first. What you have follow? You started the division. Inside you wrote H1. Under the H1 you open curly bracket and close and wrote the JavaScript. Again we wrote curly bracket open close, we wrote JavaScript. And where we want HTML, directly we wrote HTML. Okay. Inside the JSX, you can write HTML anywhere. Okay, but when you want to write JavaScript, you have to use the curly bracket. Now this is the paragraph. Inside paragraph, we want to print the full name. So what we'll do here? Again curly bracket and write here called full name. Save it and check in the browser. You will find directly all the elements will appear in your paragraph. Yes, no. Full name is not defined. Full name I have written here. Maybe I have to refresh the page. Yeah, see, all the names are printing here. It's complete clean way. Map, inside the map, what we have written in JavaScript, that will remain same here. And inside map, we have to write as a return, and whichever the tag you want to generate, you write the tag name, and inside flower bracket, you can write the content. Index also you can print here index also in another flower bracket. Index, keep dot and then check. It will say 0, 1, 2, 3 everywhere. Cool. Next, after that, come to your browser. In browser, do the right click and select inspect element. Browser, do the right click and do the select inspect element. Browser, right click, select inspect element. In inspect element, go to the console. Go to the console. In console, hopefully you can see this error. What is saying? Each child in the list should have a unique key called as a props. Each child in the list should have a unique key called props. It says at check the render method of customer see something at p, which tag it is saying? P tag. Okay, so this line representing saying like, look at here, inside the map function, you are generating the paragraph. And this paragraph is dynamic paragraph. Correct? This paragraph is dynamic paragraph. You are generating n number of paragraph. React wanted to know, hello, doing something. React wanted to know the paragraph you are generating. This all the paragraph are duplicate paragraph or unique paragraph. So suppose you have the 10 users. So the 10 time map function will call, it will generate the 10 paragraph. Here at this place, React wanted to know, you cannot keep the only paragraph. Each paragraph should have a unique ID. Like in JavaScript, we keep create ID, F name, email ID, mobile number, something. So that JavaScript will understand easily. Here React says like, whenever you are doing something, when you are creating the dynamic element, your element must have a unique property that called ID. But in React, instead of ID, we are going to use a property called key. Call it a key. Key equal to, you can give any value, but whichever the value you give, that value must be unique. For two paragraph, key should not be same. Key must be unique. For two paragraph, key should not be same, key must be unique. So what is the unique value at this point? Index is the unique value, right? Key equal to index. Entire error will get fixed. And we will remember whenever we are going to generate whenever you are going to generate when you are going to generate a paragraph, division, TR, everywhere we have to give this key property. Key property we have to give everywhere. Okay, that we will remember every time. Whenever we will follow the key, we must give the name. Let us come to your browser, refresh the page, and this error has come. You can delete the error from here. There is a symbol to clear the console. There is an option here, clear the console. Clear that. After that, you go to component and come back. You will not have any error. You need to clear the message manually because whichever the message has come, it will not go automatically. You have to clear it. You need to clear that message. After that, you can see the hello. Hello. Tell me, sir. Which which company? Mm-hmm. You can send email to our email ID. We'll check it. Okay. So hope ready. Your list is coming with no any error. You go to console. There will not be any kind of error. Okay. So this page is loading properly. Next, we'll come to the project. In project also, we'll create a single dimensional array to understand something. Come to the next component. That is called project.js. Under the project.js, create a array again. Create an array. Let my project equal to, we need to add something here, some website name. Okay, www.info.co.in. Next, www.uimaster.in, comma, www.firstinquiry.com, 4 times W as well. W dot globalleads.in, www.campusinterview.in, just adding some website name to create a list. www.gyanguide.in, www. What is that? AngularExpert.in, more is missing. www.career left up docking. List of websites. How many elements we got inside the array? Total 8 elements. Now we have to run a map and we need to display here. So first print the length of the project. How many projects you have? My project dot length. Are we getting the length? My project. So is my project project. Okay, let's go there. Saying total how many projects? 8 projects. Come there, write a loop. My project dot map pname comma index. Pname comma index. Inside the paragraph, first priority you must give the key index. That only you print anything as a key name. Getting the list of items, the list of website. We will keep all as a hyperlink. Once you click on that, it will open a website. So how to keep hyperlink? You remember? Anchor tag we can write. Automatically it will become as a hyperlink. A href equal to pname. After that, we can give pname. Then we can write here, close the pname after this. Close the A after the this one. And you know there is a property called target underscore blank. So wherever you click, it open the new tab. Underscore blank. Wherever you click, it open the new tab. Hope hyperlink is ready. And click of this. Oh, it is showing HTTP. See here, it is localhost. It is searching the particular page. When we click here, new tab is opened, but it is searching in the localhost slash www. HTTP we have not given. Where inside the URL we have not given the HTTP because of that. So here you can write HTTP colon slash slash HTTP colon slash slash, and after that, oh, but this will not work. This will give the error. Try this. Is it going to say something? No, it will not work. It will give the error here. So no problem. Here we cannot add. We will be learning that point also in upcoming days. We will learn here. We can keep here only HTTP colon slash slash. Everywhere HTTPS you can apply. HTTPS colon slash slash in all the array. Keep in all the arrays. HTTP colon slash slash. Yes, you can apply it because all the networks are running on. HTTP once you add, it will display you everything. When you click here, it will go to the website now. If you click on that, it will go to the website. Okay. So customer is ready, project is ready. Now we'll work on service as a multi-dimensional array. So hope working, no error. Let's come. Next will be multi-dimensional array. Next will be multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional array service.js file. In service.js file, we will create a variable, or you can use let var const anything. Let my service equal to my service equal to It will be little difficult array. So let's go inside. Right there. Call name of the service. Name of the service. Website development, comma, technology, colon array. Technology will be array. So I will be keeping something like this because we have to arrange a lot of records inside this way. One element is over. Keep one more element. We'll work for two element first. Website development. Mobile app development. Technology different. So let's copy and create this two array. Ready? So first we can print the length of service. Go here, print the length of service. That is called my service dot length. My service dot length. Then remove this paragraph. After that, print the all the services. So my service dot map. My service dot map. Name of the service info, comma index. Info, comma index. Okay, hope ready. Now you should get the length of the service. 2. Now come inside the service. You remember there was a tag called field set. Return field set, and inside the field set we have written sometime legend legend. Under the legend you are going to print info dot name. Info dot name. So what it will give? It will give you the website development, mobile app development, and for this field set key property is required as index. Key property is required as index. Check now for field set name is printing. See name of the it's coming now. Under that, see your technology is still empty. We will add the list of technology inside that. Under the field set legend is coming as a name of the this one service, and the technology will come under the field set. Let's go here. Write all HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Node.js, MySQL, mobile app, Android, iOS, Kotlin is German language in the market. Phone gap. Window. Write this name of technology. Now come to the array. So this is going to be the nested array. Okay, this is going to be the nested array. Already one loop is running. Already one loop is running. You are going to write the next loop. Where? Under the field set. If you want to print the length here, under the technology, how many, under the service, how many technology you have, you can write their length here. This way. That is called info.technology.length. 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 So ready? Length is coming. 5 and 6. We need to print that 5 and 6 elements here. So see, you have to run one more map function. One map function is already running. You are going to run one more map function. This way. Okay, so what is that? Info.technology.map. 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 Name, tech name, comma index 2. Return e tag. Here you can write tech name. Key as a index 2. Check now. This is inner level loop. That is inner level loop. Ready? Let's take the see. It's happening something like this. You can print index 2 also here. It will print you 0, 1, 2, 3. Index 2 plus 2 plus 1 you can do. It will give 1, 2, 3. Index 2 is the name of the variable. Plus 1 if you do, what will happen? It will give 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It will not start from 0. It will start from 1. Working. We can write some CSS and we'll make this field set little more better. So for field set, give a class. Give a class name for the field set. Class name. It is not class, it is a class name. N will be capital. Service. Class name as a service. Ready? Class name is written. Come to the index.css file. In index.css file, service is the name of the class. Keep margin 2%. Then width 2% left, 2% right, 4%. 29.33 or 29% you can give. 3 block we want to fit in one line. Float left, float left, border only one px, solid red color, sequence. This is for field set. So one by one it should fit. Multiple blocks should fit one after other in same line. Getting side by side. We have to keep some minimum height so that all will fit in one line. So minimum height give 300 pixel. Three hundred become more. 250. Looking little up down. 260, maybe 270. Should be okay. It's an equal line, right? If you add one more element, then what will happen? It will fit in the right side. So hope we modified the CSS. Okay, cool. Next, after that, come to your component file, service.js file. How many elements you have stored inside the array? Total 2 elements. Write one more. Software development. If the Java .NET .NET Node.js Python Ruby save it. Okay, let's go ahead. Oh, it is coming down. Width we have to reduce. How much you are given the width in CSS? 29. 28% you can give. Border is there, no? Border is there. Maybe that border is not fitting properly. No benefit. No benefit. 26 or 27. 27 is also not coming properly. Cursor is stuck somewhere. 6% I'll give. Okay, so 3 is coming now for me in one line. If you add more than that, one more element, it will go to where? New line. So you understood how to use the map function for single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, array inside array. Now go to the about page. Go to the about page. Create a array of 10 company name. In about page, create a array of 10 company name and display in paragraph. Only name of the company. So in about page, create a array of 10 company. In about page, create a array of 10 company. In about page, create a array of 10 company name. In about page, create array of 10 company name, display in paragraph. You can use the map function. Hope you have written. Please share me the code, anyone. All the content of about file. Okay, it's a printing like this. Can you write a class where in one line 4 company will come? Write a class for the paragraph where in one line 4 company will come. Write a class for the paragraph where in one line how many company? 4 company. So which class we added? Anything? Maybe somewhere we have print this one. Service is different. Okay, so you have to create a class. Call which one? Class name. Name equal to company. Class name equal to company. Now write a company class and give the mark width 25% or 23%. Okay, ready? So what is the width of this class? Company class width is will be assume 23%. Margin also you can give 1%. 1%. And you can keep there called float colon left. Width 23%, margin 1%, float left. And after that, text hyphen align center and apply the padding top and bottom. Padding top how much? 10 px. Left right 0 px. Bottom also 10 px. And after that write box shadow. Box shadow 0 px, 0 px, 5 px, blue color. Top bottom if you want you can increase that 10 to 15 you can do. 10 px you can convert into how much? 15 px. Okay, now we will say name will be company name only, but it will look little change. See something like this. Margin bottom you can increase. Margin bottom, icon bottom, 20 px. More gap will come. Okay, so something like this. This is called company list in which file? Contact about file. Okay. Now we can use the same class. Which class? Company class. Let's come. Go to the contact page. Inside contact page, you will create an array of 15 mobile number. Any number, 10 digit. Understand properly. Inside the contact page, create a array of 15 mobile number. Maybe 111, 222, 333, 444, 555. How many times? 15 elements. And display inside the page, you can use the same class. Which class? Company class. Right? In contact page, create a array of 15 mobile number, any number. After that, use the company class just now we created and display total 4 mobile number in one line. Hope going on. I will share your study video. Hope you are in the laptop. Once you complete about contact page, please share me also. Only two videos exist. First video is not able to convert. Video 1 and 2. For first video, I have given you my channel URL. You can see there how to set up the project and how to write a CSS. Remaining last class video and study video I have sent you. Video has some problem, it's not converting. Yes, this is loading already. Now, hope you are well aware of now map function how to use under the React, right? Next, we will work on state management. This all you are reading the data. You have to learn how to write the data. These all are called output, how to give the input. Those things we need to understand. Okay. So see you, download the video and see you tomorrow again. Don't miss the classes. If you miss the classes, it will be difficult for you to manage. Okay, clear.